Zeke's first day. Keep going, Zeke. Keep going. Keep going. Look up. Good job, son. Keep going. Yeah, there you go. Good job. All right, Zeke, how was it?
Good.
Was that fun? Tell everybody what you just did.
I pedaled without even training wheels.
Nice. How old are you?
My 5.
5?
I'm 5, and it's my first day of pedaling without any help.
How about that? You want to do it again? All right, let's show everybody. Look at that. Keep going. Keep pedaling. You got it. Keep pedaling. Keep pedaling. Keep pedaling. Look at that. Come this way. Turn this way. Turn this way. Keep pedaling. Look up. Keep pedaling. Good job. Good job. How was that, Zeke?
Good.
All right.